Fare le nozze coi funghi or organize a wedding reception with mushrooms. What does it mean? What's the link with negotiation? Welcome to the first video of the series Popular Wisdom and Negotiation. A short and entertaining way to explain and hopefully remember key concept of negotiation. My name is Giovanni Aquilanti, Business Development Director and Senior Trainer at CABL, a company specialized in negotiation and influencing. Back to fare le nozze coi funghi or organize a wedding reception with mushrooms. In this context, mushrooms are considered to be a very cheap ingredient. Therefore, this short sentence means trying to do something important without having the adequate means. It's not uncommon to have such unrealistic expectations in business too, especially coming from your internal stakeholders. Imagine the situation of having a 10% market pricing increase and you're requested to deliver a 30% cost reduction. Two recommendations in this case. First of all, change the narrative. From cost reduction, start talking about creating value. In terms of quality, lead time, risk management, for instance. Secondly, invite your stakeholder to the external meeting so that he or she can experience firsthand the market dynamics. We explored the typical situation of unrealistic expectations in business and how to face them in negotiation, thanks to the traditional way of saying of fare le nozze coi funghi or organize a wedding reception with mushrooms. Thanks for your attention. For more insights, please visit www.cabl.ch.